Hey you guys, so I'm going straight in with the foundation application, and I'm using the NARS Radiant Foundation and the Fenty Beauty Foundation, and I'm applying that with my Wet n Wild brush. And I wet that because I like to apply my foundation with a damp brush. I just think it just works better for me, and I'm going in with another layer because both of these foundations are very sheer and I wanted more full coverage. So yeah. And now I'm going in with my Maybelline Age Reminder Concealer, and I'm using that like to highlight my face. And I try not to go overboard with the concealer because I like to stay dark skinned. Like, I cannot stress that enough. For me, I just like to stay dark. I don't want to be looking all bright, you know. I like my under eyes to look bright, but not my entire face. And after that, I go in with the Tarte Shape Tape and I apply that to the inner part of my face. But I'm not on that clip yet. Oh gosh, but I'm about to get right there. Anyways, I apply that to the inner part of my face just so it can brighten up my under eyes, like at the more inner part. I don't know how many times I say inner. But anyways, I like how that looks. Like, it allows my eyes to be bright but not light, if that makes sense. I just like that. I just like how it works for me. As you guys can see, like, I'm really blending this, like making sure everything is right. Anyways, I'm going in with the Sacha Cosmetic Buttercup Banana Powder. And you guys, oh my god, I was going in with this powder like, girl, where's the pound cake? I'm like literally a pound of cake on my face. Like, I applied so much powder. I don't even know what I was thinking, but yeah. Now I'm just brushing all of this powder off my face, you guys. Like, really trying to brush this off because I don't know what I was thinking. But I'm going in with my Juvia's Place. This is an eyeshadow, and I use this as a bronzer, and it just works perfectly. And as you guys can see, that I went in with a darker foundation so I wouldn't have to contour. Like, I just like to do that because it gives me less things to put on my face. Like, I don't be wanting to look so cakey because I already have so much powder on my face. I don't want so much foundation on my face. But I'm going in with the Mercer translucent powder in the color Deep. And I'm just applying that to cut out my contour. Like, I just want my face to be snatched. Like, it looks so pretty. Using my MAC setting spray, I spray my face to get rid of that powder look. And I'm going in with my Anastasia Glow Kit highlighter to like highlight my face. You know, you just highlight everywhere. You're supposed to highlight your nose, your lip, your cheeks, you know, all those places. And after that, I use my blush palette by BH Cosmetic and go in with the blush. Like, I love this palette. Like, I got this palette from Marshall's for like $6 like about a year ago, and like, oh my gosh, it's amazing. Now I'm going in with my concealer to set my lids. Oh no, to prime my lids, and I'll leave the name of it in the description box. But I'm using my I said so many times, but anyways, I'm using my Beauty Blender Mini and using that to like blend it all out. And I didn't set it with no translucent powder because I wanted the eyeshadows to set it. So I'm going in with these eyeshadows and like, okay, so listen, I'm using my eyeshadows to set the concealer, and I'm going in a cut crease angle, so I will have to do less work, like, because I like to do less work. I'm lazy when it comes to my makeup, but I be wanting my makeup to be on fleeky, but I'm so lazy. So I'm going in with this teal color and just blending those into each other. So yeah, like, this makeup look, I was just freestyling, right? Like, my color choices may not be the best. My grandmother FaceTimed me and said that my eyeshadow looked like a mermaid fish, and you guys, that hurt my feelings. Like, I'm glad she told me that because I immediately wiped it off. Like, she made me realize that this look, I mean, I thought it was cute until I FaceTime her. But anyways, I'm going in with this eyeshadow base by NYX, and I'm carving out my cut crease. I'm using this flat concealer brush by Ulta Beauty, the brand, and I just like this brush because it helps. Like, only thing you have to do is like pat it. You don't have to swipe the base to make a cut crease. And I'm going in with this orange eyeshadow, this Foil eyeshadow by Juvia's Place. I use all Juvia's Place eyeshadows. This video was not sponsored. Like, nobody sponsor me anyway. I don't even have enough subscribers to even get no sponsors. But anyways, like, I be buying Juvia's Place because, you know, support black businesses or whatever. But anyways, and I'm going in with the same colors I used on the lids to just apply that into the crease so I can just have a nice gradient effect. I mean, you watching the video, y'all pretty much seeing what I'm doing. Like, it's not freaking rocket science. It's super easy. Like, I like to do super easy looks. Like, that's just me. Now I'm going with this liquid liner by NYX, and I'm applying a wing liner. And I'm telling you, like, I be struggling to apply my wing liner, and the struggle is definitely real. Like, I'm much better than what I used to be. But yeah, so I'm going in with this mascara by Urban Decay. It's the Big Fatty Lashes. And you guys, this is the best mascara ever. So you guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you guys on my next video.